In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup of your data in Zoho Books. It's a simple but essential task to ensure your organization's data is securely stored and easily retrievable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section of your Zoho Books account. When you're in the settings, look for an option named Developer Space. This is where most of the advanced features are housed. Within Developer Space, you'll find a subsection titled Data Administration. Go ahead and click on that. Now, the data administration area is crucial because it provides the tools you need to manage your data effectively. Within this section, there's a specific function called Backup Data. This is what you're looking for. By accessing this function, you can begin the process of exporting all your organization's data. When you initiate a backup, you have the choice between two file formats, CSV and XLS. These formats are widely used and are compatible with many data analysis and spreadsheet software. Opt for the format that suits your needs best, considering how you might want to access or manipulate your data in the future. Additionally, you'll encounter an option regarding sensitive personal information during this process. Zoho Books allows you to include this kind of data in your backup, but it's vital to handle it with care due to privacy concerns. Make sure you're complying with any relevant data protection regulations applicable to your organization. Once you've made your selections and initiated the backup, the system will begin generating your data export. This might take a little while, depending on the size of your data. After the export is ready, a download link will be sent directly to your email. This ensures you have a secure way to access the backup file outside of the platform. But that's not the only place you'll find your download link. The system thoughtfully places a link in the backup history area within the same data administration section. This backup history area acts as a record of all previous backups you've created, providing an additional way to track and download past data exports. Now you're all set. With these steps, you've completed the backup process, successfully securing a copy of your organization's data. Regularly backing up your data is critical, as it safeguards your information against unforeseen circumstances that could potentially result in data loss. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Zoho Books' backup data function to maintain a secure backup of your organization's vital data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.